Hey guys, Marcel here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you kung paano po mag-invite ng friends to like and follow your Facebook page or even your friends' Facebook page. In my previous video, I've taught you or I've showed you on how to invite friends to like and follow the Facebook page using desktop or laptop, but this time I'm going to show you how to do it using your mobile phone. So of course, you have already a Facebook app installed or downloaded on your phone. So of course, i-click lang po natin yan. So andito na tayo sa ating Facebook na account. So what we are going to do is to type on the search bar the name of the Facebook page na gusto natin na ipa-like and follow. So ayan, gusto ko ipa-follow si MSM Gold Jewelry Shop kunwari. So if makikita nyo dito sa bandang ibaba, may makikita po tayo na home, post, videos, photos, about, and community. So, yung gagawin po natin is itatap or i-click po natin yung community. So, ayan. And then, over here, you will see the invite friends button. So, yan po yung i-click natin or itatap natin. And then, you just have to select all. So, select all na natin. So, of course, if there are somebody or some people you don't like to invite for some reasons, then what you can do is just i-untick nyo lang yung box. So, for example, ito, ayaw kong invite yung first person. Then, i-untick lang natin. And then, yeah, you scroll up, scroll down nyo na lang kung sino yung taong ayaw nyo na ma-invite. And after that, itatap nyo lang tong send invitations. But I'm not going to do it here in this tutorial because I don't want people to be annoyed with me sending them invites. Anyway, this page right now that I'm showing you with the tutorial, I'm not really using this one. This is my page, business page before. So that's what you have to do if you are to invite people to like and follow a Facebook page using a mobile phone or cell phone. So after mong ma-send ito, yung maklik yung send invitations, there's something that says invitation sent, something like that. Okay? So, but ito try na natin. Let's say, okay, deselect. So let's just say, let's invite one person. Ayan, yan. Invitation sent yung sabi after you click that one. Okay, this time, let me just show you. For example, I'm going to invite some Facebook friends to like a Facebook page which is not mine. So, for example, Madam Kilay again. Madam Kilay. So, ayan. Actually, wala siyang I think kina-customize na niya yung page niya. So, ito yung ginagawa ko. Kasi depende ata to sa settings ng page. So, yung sa kanya, iba yung settings niya. So, what we have to do is just click na lang natin yung 3 dots. Ayan, 3 dots. And then, over here, there's a button that says invite to follow. So, we're just gonna click that one or tap that one. And then, we select or unselect. So, actually, I'm not sure why this is so. So mayroon siyang okay, so it says here, daily invitation limit. To protect against spam, will limit the number of invitations you can send daily. Invite up to 200 friends now, then come back tomorrow to send more. So ayan, that's the reason why 200 lang yung pwedeng iselect. Okay. So ganyan pala siya, And then let's just say, okay, let's get back to, let's try PayMaya here. This is PayMaya. I've tried this in the previous one. So again, same thing yung gagawin natin. Either pwede tayo punta dito sa community. Ayan. And then, there's a button here below that says invite friends. So I don't know why there is no select all option here. But so what you have to do if that happens is you just have to manually tick the boxes for the names of the person that you want to invite. Now let me just go back here and do this one instead, the 3 dots. Try natin i-tap yung 3 dots. So, wala siya. If you notice, different yung settings niya or setup niya doon sa kay Madam Kilay na Facebook page. So, I'm not sure exactly, but I think it has something to do with the settings. Kasi may iba't ibang settings kasi yung per Facebook page. So, depende na lang yun sa may-ari kung paano niya i-set up yung Facebook page niya. Alright guys, I think that's all for this video. I hope you learned something. If you have any questions, just feel free to comment them down below, and I'll be happy to help you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye and God bless everyone.